Oh, hey, if you're wondering why we have a Christmas tree up on November 15th, it's because we're psychopaths. Anyway, let's review Freddy's Steak Burger. Jalapeno double. Presentation, I'll be honest, it is not looking great. It is sloppy. It came like this. Woo! It's actually got some kick to it. Jalapenos all over it. Not terrible. Okay, it's actually great. The jalapenos are jalapeñoing. It's got a sauce on there. And those Freddy's smash burgers are always delicious. But this is top 10 right here. There's that sauce. Oh, I got an idea.